Welcome to this week's Rockler demo. Got something a little different in store for you this week. I really enjoy showing projects and woodworking tips, but since we're only a couple days from Black Friday specials, I got exclusive access to this Rockler store. I want to take you inside and show you some of the best deals we've got going. So let's start with some innovative tools you can only find at Rockler. If your main dust collector is a shop vac, then you should seriously consider the Dust Right separator. It runs in line with your shop vac, but the dust gets to the separator first. The cyclone captures the dust before it gets to your filter, and it's super easy to clean. And it's $30 off the normal $99 price. And if you've been considering getting into wood turning, this is a perfect opportunity. The Excelsior Mini Lathe will turn up to a 10-inch diameter bowl or 17-inch spindle, and it's $100 off. And here's one of my favorites. If you've got multiple small power tools, then you're sure to know the frustration of not being able to find a dust hose that fits all the different port sizes on your tools. The FlexiPort system fixes that. And right now, the expandable hose, which stretches from 3 to 12 feet, is 35% off. And it includes 2 flexible ports to fit just about every power tool. I've got one more Rockler innovation for you. The convertible benchtop router table is the perfect first router table or a great second router table. It can be used on the benchtop or mounted on the wall for easy storage, and it's $50 off. And if you're shopping for router bits, especially higher price bits like these tabletop bits, then now's the time to pull the trigger because the entire line of router bits are 25% off. Woodworkers use glue, a lot of glue. So when you can get it for half off, you gotta stock up. Titebond 3 is 50% off during Black Friday sales, and you can use this glue for just about any woodworking project. A lot of you might already have a bandsaw, but if a bandsaw is on your wish list, this 10-inch Rikon will do just about everything you need, and it's 25% off right now. That's $100, so you can get this one for $299. And if you're shopping for the big stuff, the stationary power tools, Jet and Laguna have doorbuster deals going on up to 20% off on everything from bandsaws to dust collectors. Finally, I'm excited to let you know that we've expanded Festool in all of our stores and online. So take advantage of our 30-day Festool test drive and try Festool in your shop. So that's just a handful of the specials we've got going this Black Friday season. These deals start Monday and we're running them for 8 days, so there's no need to wait until Thanksgiving weekend. Do yourself a favor and shop early if you can because store capacity is limited. And while you're here, grab yourself one of these new Rockler hats. I'm Dan Carey from Rockler and Woodworkers Journal. Thanks for watching.